Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to do a bank rec for a client. So I'm using a fairly new client that's not connected to the bank to show you how you would add stuff and how to edit information as you need to. So for this one, what you need is to be in accounting and reconcile, and it'll bring you to this page. You also need to have a copy of the bank statement. If you notice that the date for this bank statement stops on June 28, 2019, so that's the date you're going to use for your reconciliation date. What you're going to enter is your ending balance and your date into QuickBooks. And down at the bottom of QuickBooks, it gives you an option to add in service charges or interest that may not have been added if the bank was connected to this account through the banking section of QuickBooks. So what you do is just put in the date and the amount, which you'll find on the bank statement at the bottom for any fees, and you're going to enter that, and then you're going to hit Start Reconciling. Now you're going to look at it and see that this is the ending statement amount. This is the difference that you need to pay attention to, and which transactions from the bank statement are already available for you to start reconciling. So the deposit, I went ahead and put that in there already. So you would check that off, and you see the monthly service charge is already checked off. So now you still have a negative difference of $25,000 even. So if you look at the bank statement, the only thing you're missing is your withdrawal for $25,000 on the 26th. So what you're going to do is hit Save for Later, and you're going to go to New, Transfer, and you're going to enter in that you transferred that amount of money, and I'm using paid in capital for that amount of money is more than likely coming out of their personal funds. So you will put in the amount, the date that this actually happened, which is on the 26th, and then you want to put in the note that's on the bank statement for this amount. If I can copy it, put that down in the memo, because that will help you when you're going over your financials in the end of the month of how much money or where it came from. If it's something special, you just need to have a memo. And then you hit Save and Close and go and hit Resume Reconciling, and it should pop up. So now I see the 25 showed up. Now your balance is going to go from zero difference, which means you're done reconciling. You can hit Finish Now, or Save for Later, or Close without saving. So for now, we're going to click Finish Now. So we're done. Say that you start doing the next month and you find out that you made a mistake in the previous month. Show you how to get to it if you want to undo the batch to redo it. You would click on Last Statement Date, hit History by Account, and it's going to show you the year. And if you want to undo that one, you would go to View Reports. Under you have a choice, Print or Undo. For this example, I'm just going to go ahead and undo it. It's going to take it off the books. You hit Yes, Undo, and it's going to disappear. So what you want to do is go back to Accounting, Reconcile, and you want to put in again. See how it takes it out? It doesn't show the history from the last bank rec. You would put in the ending balance again, and that $12. and then start the reconciliation process again. And there you go. There's all your transactions. You can hit select. If the bank's connected, it usually automatically selects everything, but if it's a manual keying, it makes you go in there and check them off. So I'm going to show you one more thing. Editing info. Say I accidentally put in, I keyed in the wrong amount, and I put it for 2020 for the date, and I hit save. Now you're going to see your dates off, and you're going to see you're off by $1. So you can always go into edit info if you accidentally put the wrong date or amount or the wrong service charge down here, or you need to add one in, so that you don't have to open up the new, go to new to enter this information. So go ahead and change the date back, hit save. Now you're finished, and hit finish. And one other thing, if you hit, get my computer here to work. If you close without saving, it will not save anything in this bank rec, so you can start over from the beginning. Regardless, if you entered it in the wrong account, because some clients have more than one account, just close without saving and start again. So there's plenty of options for you to redo it or edit the information to make sure everything ties out. But since this one is good, we're going to hit finish, and that's it.